Magandang umaga pa rin sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. Okay, so Saturday, sarap lang mo. Masarap ang Saturday with a cup of coffee. Alright, so magkape tayo mga delivers. And masarap din ang Saturday pag nagbabasa ka lang ng book. Okay? And of course, nandito pa rin tayo, The Richest Man in Babylon. So, nandito na ako sa page 52. Bumalik lang ako pero almost done na siya. Sa sobrang dami ng wisdom na nakuha natin dito. Alright, so ano ba yung isa natin na aral ngayong araw na to? The Richest Man in Babylon. Okay, so ito po siya. Sabi niya dito, provide in advance for the needs of thy growing age and the protection of thy family. So, importante na while you are young, you are, sabi po, ulitin natin, providing in advance. You are providing in advance. So, ibig sabihin, delivers, ganito mga OFW, mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas, while you are working now, if you are 20 years old, 30, 40, 50, okay? While you are working, bear in mind na dalawa ang dapat mong pinuprovide, okay? Dalawa, not just one. Kaya nga hindi pwedeng, sabi ko nga lagi, hindi pwedeng isa lang source of income mo kasi dalawa ang pinuprovide mo. Number one, you should be providing for your present needs, okay? So, kung single ka ngayon, well, congratulations. Welcome to the club. I am your president. So, kung single ka o married ka naman ngayon, you have kids, you have children, so kailangan make sure you are providing for your family. Make sure yung mga basic needs meron sila. And sabi ko nga, more than that So, dapat at least nakapag-travel kayo once a year or nakapasyal man lang nakakapasyal kayo, family, nakapanood ng sine, nakapag-relax, nakapag-mall. So, at least once in a while, nagagawa nyo yan, di ba? So, that's the first provision. Yun yung first na dapat mong pinuprovide. Okay? That's one. Pero meron pa pala. Ayon dito sa The Book of The Richest Man in Babylon, that full of wisdom, dapat you are also providing in advance for your needs in the old age and to protect your family. So, dapat pala kasama sa budgeting natin yung future. And that's the problem. Number one problem sa ating lahat. Okay? Ang tanaw natin at present lang. Ang tanaw natin this month lang. Ang tanaw natin this 15 katapusan, di ba? Ang tinitingnan lang natin, pambayad ng ilaw, pambayad ng bahay, pang tuition, pambaon for this month. So, yan lang tinitingnan natin. Okay? So, nagiging, lang tayo, yan lang at present ang tingin natin. Kaya pala, okay, maraming retired o pa-retire, yun ang problema. Walang ipon, walang savings, walang pagkukuhanan ng resources. Kasi nga, yan lang ang tingin nila. Okay? So, which is wrong. Dapat ilawak pala natin ating paningin. Provide in advance. I-advance mo yung needs mo when you are growing old, dapat pinuprovide mo na ngayon while you are young. That's it. That's the secret. Okay? So, kung ano may nakikita mong needs ng yung future, even your family, dapat ngayon pa lang unti-unti pinuprovide mo na. Okay? Let me give you example. In my case, nakikita ko na yung pangangailangan ko during my retirement. I need new car. Ayoko nang kasi nagbibiyahe ako, biglang sira ang kotse. Okay? So, call it luxury or what? I don't care. But that's how I see my old age. Okay? So, meron akong bagong kotse, meron akong driver, meron akong isang assistant because I'm doing work. I'm also working pag retired na ako. Okay? 60 years old, magbablog pa rin tayo. Punta pa rin tayo sa iba't ibang restaurant, doon tayo magbablog. Okay? And I have my nurse with me. Kasi that time, marami na akong sakit. So, yun yung apat na nakaplan sa akin. So, slowly now, I'm providing for that. I got my Kaiser. Meron tayong mga investment. 5 investment. Okay? So, siguro enough na yan. Pag natapos ko lahat ng mga investment na yan, enough na yan for that future na tinatanong ko. So, I'm providing 2 things now. Present needs ko, present needs ni nanay, ng family ko, ng ibang members ng family ko, at yung needs ko in the near future. That's it. That's how you prepare for life. Okay? So, kung, Doc G, paano yan? Etong lang ako, break even na nga lang ako di ba? Isweldo ko nga, etong na nga lang Hindi nga akasya, ipoprovide ko pa yung 10 years pa mangyayari, 20 years pa mangyayari, and that's your problem. Okay? That's a problem. Naalala ko nung, kailan ba? Last Sunday lang ba ako nagpunta ng Robinsons? Last Sunday lang may kinotes ako. From Manila pa siya, umuwi siya dito sa Pampanga. Sabi niya, gusto niya nakakatuwa kasi she's just 48 years old. Pero tinitingnan niya na yung future. Dok, ayoko mag-retire na mahirap. Ayoko na mag-retire na wala akong pera. So sabi ko, gagawa tayo ng paraan. So meron kaming ginawang program. Alright? So, if you want to do the same, if you need coach para sa yung retirement for the future, na ngayon pa lang, pwede mo nang i-ready. So, kontakin mo ako. Tawagan mo ako 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Or FB page ko ba yun, Dial? Dr. Gigi D. Sunga. Okay, yun. May diyang page. Alright. So, yan. I can help you. We can do online coaching or personal coaching. Okay? And another announcement natin, Feb 23. So, nasa Novotel Cubao tayo. So, para sa ating Go Masterclass, like go your own business, scale up your own business, how to become an effective speaker, at isa pa, how to become a life coach. So, yan ang ating mga lessons. So, message mo lang ako. And this Feb 9 and 10, ang ating team Invest Pro, nasa Novotel Cubao din para sa orientation sa Forex. So, if you are interested to attend Forex orientation, so magpunta lang kayo, message mo ko, I will connect you to Sir Eric. Okay? So again, don't forget to provide in advance for your needs in the old age and to protect your family. Okay? So please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, kahit OFW dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umunlad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!